Hello guys and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the XRP address on Binance. It's quite easy to get this address, but you must have a Binance account. And if you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, with a verified account, all you need to do to get your address is simple. Click on the deposit icon on the top left. Once you've selected the deposit icon, simply search for the token you're looking for, which in our case is the XRP. So once you've selected the XRP, click on the Ripple and you're met with all the networks. So now each Ripple network is different. So as not to lose your token, select any of the networks you wish to send on, like the BNB BEP20. It has its own unique address such that the Ripple network itself is different with its own address and XRP tag. So if you simply select the BEP20, you'd notice that it has its own address as well. If you're looking to get your XRP address, simply click on the Ripple network itself. That's a direct Ripple network. Copy the wallet address and copy the XRP tag. So by doing this, you can simply deposit in your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.